What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and this is 5 Star Cars. The car channel where we just basically like a podcast, just chat to you about some of your favourite car YouTubers, and we'll be doing some vlogging and some maybe some car reviews, and eventually we will get a project car where you and me and all you subscribers are basically going to help me with the project car, help me pick it and decide wheels and stuff like that. And in order to do that, basically when we get monetized, I'm going to show you the paycheck of this channel every month. Every month you're going to see how much this channel makes. Another car channel is doing that. So if that's something you want to see, how much a car channel makes every month from very scratch, we started back in December. Do subscribe, smash the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, my personal or the channel one, and just see where this channel goes. We've smashed through 600 subscribers already. I was only on like 550 the other day. And yeah, it's doing really well. Thanks for the love and support on the channel. It does mean a lot to me being a new car channel, and I'm just trying to do a bit of everything for you guys. And I know we watch some of our favorite car YouTubers, so it's just like a podcast to chat to you about what's going on in some of the videos I watch. So yeah, basically guys, one of the things is as I said, when we get monetized, I'm going to show you the paycheck every month. Also, when we get monetized, I'm going to do a giveaway. It'll be the Lamborghini 80 sign behind me or Ferrari one. You pick which one you want, whatever color, and I'll send it to you. Or you can decide on a piece of merch from your favorite car YouTuber like Stradman or DD or whoever, a hat or t-shirt, and I'll send it out to you. So if you get subscribing, I'll let you know as soon as we get monetized to do that giveaway. One last thing as well is it'll come up here as a website I made, and you can basically vote for your 2020 car YouTuber of the year. At the end of the year, we will tally up the votes, and I'll tell you who won as your favorite car YouTuber of the year. And if you want me to add anyone to that list, comment below and let me know, and I will add them to the list for you. And you can also create an account on the website where you can basically create threads like on the forum section where we can all chat about cars there and what's going on in the supercar community. So just a bit of fun, guys. So thanks so much for joining in and taking a few minutes out of your day for today. I know basically what's going on with the whole virus thing. We're all stuck at home, so hopefully this will burn away a few minutes of your day and get you up to speed, or like chat with you about what's going on. And today we're just going to be covering basically Shmmee 150. He's hit 2 million subs. We're covering him. Royalty put on a new exhaust on the Bugatti Veyron. Supercars in London is trying to decide on a new supercar for a road trip, and also Hennessey have actually twin turboed a C8. So I'm just going to cover those four today, and I'm not going to try and delete any of them too much, but let's jump straight into it. So first on our list, Shmmee 150, congratulations, he has hit 2 million subscribers. I mean, what a mile mark, for being a car YouTuber to get that many subscribers. It's insane. I could only dream of even getting to 20,000 this channel and the mine 2 million. It's some achievement. The guy posts every day and his content is quality, and the guy just knows his stuff. He's an encyclopedia of cars. He's respected, he's probably one of the most respected car YouTubers in the car YouTube world by all other automotive car YouTubers. They take his what he says seriously. He's an encyclopedia. So it's great to see that he's done the 2 million mark, and he's got a new car, and he's gotten his dream car, a Mercedes SLS Black Series Edition, which is the top tier of Mercedes, like the echelon of the best supercar, one of the best supercars out there. It is insanely sick. So here you go, just check out the video of him basically getting the car.
Happening. This is the new Shmmee-mobile, seen here in Himalaya's grey, an exclusive colour, not a standard colour for the SLS Black Series, but just look at this. I've driven them a few times to date, and each and every time it has been one of my favourite cars to get behind the wheel of. Not just the regular SLS, but the Black Series, of which they only made 350, and of course they are not exactly common cars at all, a highly limited edition, but with hardcore components that came from the SLS AMG GT3 car.
Absolutely insane. So happy for Shmmee. Couldn't have, better guy happen to. I love his videos. He's always so positive in his videos, and He literally has gotten such a gorgeous car, such an epic supercar. He's going to repaint it. Can't wait to see what colour he repaints it. But the spec in that thing is insane. I love those cars. I mean, like, if there was any Mercedes I was going to be buying, it would be the SLS Black Series. Like, that was just the top tier. I'm so glad he got one. I can't wait to see the content come out for it. So let me know in the comment below, guys. You're glad Shmmee got the SLS Black Series. You watch a lot of his channels. What would be your favourite car out of his garage? Do comment below and let me know. So moving on, Houston from Royalty Exotics. He finally got the Rift exhaust for his Bugatti Veyron, and I must say it's pretty crazy. Like, the transformation of the sound of the car is insane. They've been doing Rift for a while now. I think the Rift exhausts, I remember seeing the price, and it depends obviously on what car you have, but they can be anywhere from $3,500 to $8,000 for the Rift exhaust. But he's after throwing this thing onto the Bugatti Veyron, and it is after going like from Jekyll to Hyde. Just check this out, the sound off of this thing.
That's funny.
This isn't safe. By safe, I mean it's fun.
Got it? Click.
Nope, hold on.
Come on, do that click.
The Bugatti seatbelt has a weird buckle. Got it.
Oh my god.
I'm over here pressing on the brakes. If only you guys can see, my calf muscles are like pumping right now.
It's insane.
Absolutely nuts. Like, they hear the scream of it. It's so grunty, and as he said, it even feels faster as well. You know, it's just insane to be able to have that kind of money, to be able to throw that onto a car like that, and just the sound off it sounds amazing. I'd love to hear that in person. If that's what it sounds in camera, I can only imagine what it sounds like in person as well. Fair dues to Houston for putting it on, and you know, it's just an unbelievable, you know, hypercar, you know, sounding exhaust, and can't wait to see what else he does to the car. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what you thought of the sound of the exhaust off the car. Are you glad Houston did it, and you know what you think of it? So another person we're moving on to, Paul from Supercars of London. I've covered him a few times in other videos. It looks like he's gone away from his posting once a week, I think. I wonder why, because people are complaining to him he shouldn't be posting once a week, and the posts or the videos he has been putting up, people are not happy. So it looks like he's going to go back posting a bit more regularly to try and get the views back up, to get that moody in, so he can get the car. He tested out the Huracan Evo. Yeah, I mean, I've never driven a supercar. He's driven them all. You know, he's trying to decide which car he wants, but I'm not too sure which one he can get. The DBS is absolutely gorgeous, the Superleggera. I really want to go for that one, but Lamborghini V10 naturally aspirated, you can't go wrong with that. Like, you know, and it's an Evo as well. I know it's a very tough decision he has for him. If you do watch Paul's channel, what car would you pick, or what one would you go for? But just going to show you a quick clip. He found a Huracan Spider, a purple one, at the end of his video. Just check this out. It's absolutely stunning. This is the Huracan I would probably be going for the summertime.
Evo Spider. I saw this last time, which is actually satin white.
Satin white finish.
It's not been satin
no,
yet.
Bianco faints.
But this is a bit of me.
That's my creation.
That's what you've spec'd.
Yes,
it's
it
just
is.
arrived, right?
Yeah, it has. Yeah, it's been here just over 2 days. But
look at it. Purple with yellow details. It looks... What's the colour?
the colour is Viola Pacifico.
Okay. But it looks so good with these wheels and the yellow calipers, yellow stitching and piping inside as well. I mean, talk about a summer road trip supercar.
This is one.
This is exactly where I'd be coming. We've got a...
What a sick Huracan. Like, I seen one in Toronto. I lived in Toronto for 4 years, and before I left, I went down to the Lamborghini dealership and I saw the exact same one in that colour, but it had different wheels, and it was absolutely gorgeous. I think it was selling for over 300,000, 350,000 Canadian, like, but stunning looking car. I can only pray one day to have a car like that, and I would definitely get that if I could. And so moving on to the last one not least, it actually came up on my YouTube feed when I was just watching literally YouTube videos probably around 10 minutes ago. Hennessey have twin turbo the C8, and it sounds absolutely bonkers. The whine off these turbos is insane. Yeah, check this video out. Like, wait till you hear this thing.
All right, fired up.
It's crazy. What do you think, guys? Comment below and let me know. Wow, fair juice from dude. I'd say that thing's going to be a twin turbo monster. I wonder what's going to be pushing though. Obviously they've just released it of them getting it done. So I'm going to try and do a bit of digging for you if I can find out in my next video what kind of power figures Hennessey are throwing out. If there's anybody you want to be dealing with a twin turbo new C8, these are the guys you want. I know from watching other YouTubers like Cletus, McFarlane and stuff like that. These guys, I know they deal with Texas Speed, but I know Dave Hennessey is up there with them as well. So it does sound absolutely epic. If it does the hearing those turbos spool, I was like, oh, so good. Let me know if you have seen the video, guys. If you haven't, what do you think about them twin turboing a C8? What kind of power figures do you think they get? But yeah, interesting times to see what other car YouTubers do and who gets the highest power figures, So that's what I'm interested to see and what they sound like with the different exhausts on them. So yeah, good times ahead. There's a lot of C8 content. It's like every day. Brilliant. So that's everything I have for today, guys. Again, thanks very much for all the support and the views, and people have commented on my last video. It really means a lot to me. I'm trying to give you some good content. I edit the videos myself, so I'm learning as I go along. I'm all new to all this, but yeah, thanks a million if you've watched the end, and please do check out my other videos. We will get there. We will get monetized, and when we get monetized, guys, the fun is really going to start, where I can start doing a project car for you and get involved with you guys in what we're going to do. So again, thanks very much. Wherever you are in the world, I will go off now and lie down on my couch and go for a snooze. So thanks very much. Peace out and bye.